Have you ever wondered how you can extend your growing season? Today, we dive into the world of greenhouses, a tool that allows you to grow plants year-round and shield them from harsh weather. To get started, you'll first need to understand the basics of how a greenhouse works. So, what exactly is a greenhouse? Well, in essence, it's a marvel of science and nature. Greenhouses work by trapping sunlight, creating a warm, humid environment that allows plants to thrive, even as temperatures drop outside. This environment mimics a perpetual spring, giving your plants an extended growing season. And the beauty of it? Greenhouses come in all shapes and sizes, tailored to fit a gardener's unique needs and resources. Now that you understand the concept, it's time to learn how to use a greenhouse. Getting the most out of your greenhouse involves a few key steps. First, choosing the right plants for your greenhouse is crucial. Consider factors like the amount of sunlight needed, the plant's size at maturity, and its preferred temperature range. Next, monitor temperature and humidity levels consistently. Greenhouses are great at trapping heat, but that heat needs to be managed to prevent plants from overheating. Humidity is another key factor. Too much can lead to mold and other diseases, while too little can dry out your plants. Regular watering and fertilizing are also essential. These not only help your plants grow, but also maintain the overall health of your greenhouse. For a smooth gardening experience, consider using a planting calendar. This will help you keep track of your plant's growth cycles and ensure you're providing the right care at the right time. With these steps, you can extend your growing season and enjoy fresh produce all year long. Greenhouses offer a world of opportunities for gardeners of all levels. They not only widen your plant variety, but also lengthen your growing season. Harness the full potential of your greenhouse and let your garden thrive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.